In this video, I'll show you how to order food using the Uber Eats app on your phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Uber Eats app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see nearby restaurants and recommended dishes. You can scroll to explore different options or tap the search bar to find a specific restaurant or food item. After selecting a restaurant, browse through the menu and tap on the item you'd like to order. If there are options like size, flavor, or add-ons, choose your preferences carefully. Then tap Add to Cart. Once you've added all the items you want, tap the cart icon to review your order. Here, you can check the items, adjust the quantity, or remove anything if needed. Next, tap Checkout. Confirm your delivery address, choose your preferred delivery time, and select a payment method such as credit/debit card, digital wallet, or cash if available in your area. Before placing your order, review the total amount, including delivery fees and taxes. If everything looks good, tap Place Order. That's it.